Hi guys, and welcome to a new video on the usage of Mendeley. Today I want to talk about how to identify the type of the work. I mean the type of the reference, if it is for example research, original research, or maybe it is a review, simple review, mini review, maybe it is a case report, or maybe it is systemic review or meta-analysis. You will need this information when you are writing, sorry, when you are writing systemic review or meta-analysis, because it is by the PRISMA protocol it is needed. Why you included this work, why you excluded the other work, and you will need also to identify type of each involved reference. You need to explain each reference separately. So let us start. Okay, before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share the video if you like it. So starting, if you are for example writing your article or paper or systemic review, you will use the Mendeley for the identifying of your reference type, if it is the systemic review or anything, any type of paper. Before you start to identifying the type of the paper, you will need to show this tool which you are going to use. You go to the tools, go to options, and you will find this page or this variance. So you scroll down and look for type of paper or type of work. Volume, series. Must be here. Okay, let's try once more. You see, this is one. I think it is because it depends on the type of the paper. If it is, for example, if it is a conference paper, maybe this choice is absent, maybe. So it depends on the type of the work, most likely. So let us take an example and see how it's working. So, for example, we take by the title of the paper, Study of Accidents, and search for it in all the documents, because I don't remember where I kept it. You see we found it, we look to the type of the work, yes? So in this case it is not identified. We will try another one because not all the types of papers are present, can be identified here. These are usually belong to the NLN publishers, to National Library. So we need to look for another one, and black wall. So if the paper is not present, what you will do, you need to go by the URL, or if you have Zotro or EndNote, if you have these programs, they are more accurate. But the EndNote, it is not for free, you have to pay for it. And Zotro, it is also for free. So if it is not present on the Mendeley program, you can go to the online and check for the paper type. You see, this is original article, yes? This original article. So it is research article, original article. Let's take another example. A systemic review. So it is by the title we know it is a systemic review. I wish you to identify the type of the work. It didn't work again. So unfortunately Mendeley until now is not doing good. Not identifying the type of the paper, type of the work. Again, try with this one. Also didn't work. Preclinical. Okay, I think that's enough. You got the idea that you can search by Mendeley and add this to the work type. It's usually helpful. If it is present identified by the Mendeley, it will help you. If it is not identified, you can click on the link to the website where it's published and you can check for it. For example, here you can go to the Scopus and check for the paper if it is what type of the paper. You see it is his original work. They did something. His original work. Research work. Yes. And thank you guys for watching video. If you like it again, please hit the like button. For any questions, please write for me in the chat or in the comments. And thank you. See you next time.